This JUPEB question no hard, but students still dey fail am. Make I show you what you go do. When you see this kind of question, solution. They no tell you say, since they say make you find the v over the arrow when arrow equal to 2, take pi to 22 over 7. You know me say, as you see this question, make you carry anywhere I see arrow, make you put 2. Anywhere I see pi, make you put 27. Now v go fine. If you do that, now v, see what I talk. V equal to 4 over 3 times pi, they don't give you say now 22 over 7 times arrow now 2. Take the cube of her. If you try this thing, can't get the final answer. Now v fine. And if you take the derivative of the v with respect to r, in fact, now 0, like, you know, gonna make sense. A v defined. This is not what you should do. So, let's try this thing. The question say v equal to 4 over 3 pi arrow cube. Make you take the v over the arrow, meaning take the derivative of this v with respect to arrow. Now, this 4 over 3 pi now constant, so leave them as constant because you know they on its own. If they attached to this variable where they take the derivative of this with respect to. So put 4 over 3 pi as constant, multiply them by what will be the derivative of arrow cube. Now 3 arrow squared. If you apply this nx to the power of n minus 1. So this time now no be x now arrow. So n arrow to the power of n minus 1. The power we see now 3. Anywhere you see 3, put n for 3. Put 3, carry place n. So 3 arrow to the power of 3 minus 1. 3 arrow to the power of 2. That's how we get this one. I hope say enter. Good. So you see say this 3 and this one will cancel. What's it going to remain? Now 4 pi arrow squared. So the v over the arrow now will equal to 4 multiplied by pi. Now you go and apply those things. 22 over 7 times arrow. Arrow then give you as 2. 2, you can't take the square of them. But you know say 2 square now 4. And 4 times 4 now 16. So you can get 16 times 22 over 7. So if you multiply 16 by 22, it will give about 330 something or 300 something. Divide that by 7, you will get approximately 50 points. Some fraction like that. So if you leave them as 50, if you want to. But I don't know, I know this setting because calculator, they just tell me the final answer. Put them in the comment section. Make I know whether I will correct. If you know be 50, if you be 50 points something, also put them in the comment section. And if you know say this video, the way I explain now, it's helpful to you, I beg you hit the like button and also hit the subscribe button. If you subscribe finish, turn on the bell icon. Why? Because if I upload video, now you will be the first person who will receive notification. And try share this video, make other students follow benefit from this one. If you want me to put videos on posting questions, I beg drop them for comment section. Make I go run them. Peace.